Good morning, children. We know that we are studying pair of linear equations in two variables. And in pair of linear equation two variables, till now we have studied graphical method, substitution method, and elimination method. Today we will study one more method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. And the name of method is cross multiplication method. Since we know the general form of linear equations in two variables, and that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now the main thing in this formula is to derive how to derive the formula naturally, logically on your own, so that we can remember it for a long. How to do? Let's come here. Let's write all the variables x, then by for constant terms we will write 1. Now what we need? Their denominators. Now the question is how to find the denominator of x. Let's do it. Under x we will write its coefficients. Under y we will write its coefficients b1 and b2. Same is case for 1 means constant term c1 and c2. Now to find the denominator of x, what to do? We have to forget the coefficients of x. Means we are left with b1, b2, c1, c2. How to do? b1, c2 minus b2, c1. You understand, beta? How to proceed? Let me to explain once more. To find the denominator of x, what to do? You have to forget the coefficients of x for a while. Now you have to calculate within y and 1 only. Here b1 c2 minus b2 c. Now come to y. In case of y, again we have to forget the coefficients of y. So we are left with a1, a2, c1, c2. Here too, a1, c2 minus a2, c1. You understand beta what I said? In case of y, I mean to say when to find the denominator of y, what to do? Forget the coefficients of y. So we are left with a1, a2, c1, c2. In the same way we have to proceed a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. Now the next is 1 means constant term. In case of 1, again follow the same procedure. Forget its coefficients. Now we are left with a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Beta, in your NCERT textbook, in question number 1, exercise 3.5, this is asked to you that before solving the question by using cross multiplication method, you have to check whether the equations have unique solution or not. So let's find how to do. Already we have studied in previous video, but let's revise it. Here, case 1. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, the equations have unique solution. And if case 2, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then which type of solutions did these equations have? Then these equations have many solutions. Now we are left with 1. If case 3, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then which type of solutions? How many solutions? You remember? It means lines are parallel and they have no solution. So in first question of your NCERT textbook, first you have to find that if the equations have unique solution, then you have to proceed with cross multiplication method. Otherwise you need not to proceed.